that the true potential of a soul can only be manifested by the development of all three qualities in balance. Namaste. Hope you all are doing very good. Let's talk about Inner Alchemy Yoga Level 2. So, if you read the course description of Inner Alchemy Yoga Level 2, you will notice its tagline. It says, Synthesis of Advanced Yogic Practices. What is the importance of synthesis? And what it means in the context of advanced yogic practices? I will try to throw some light on it. In Inner Alchemy Yoga Level 1, we discovered that each soul follows a unique journey as it evolves. Every incarnation, each soul selects its surroundings, people, different relationships, different experiences to support its chosen learnings. The initial incarnations, however, primarily focus on learnings related to the sustenance on the physical level, the material progress. Once this aspect stabilizes, the soul's focus shifts to its rapid spiritual evolution. Now, does that mean the soul was not evolving earlier? No, the soul was evolving earlier also. But it was more of an automatic evolution. The key is rapid spiritual evolution. Now, the soul's focus shifts on rapid spiritual evolution by making a conscious effort to develop its three divine qualities: Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Divine intelligence, divine love, and divine willpower. Now, there are several spiritual systems or disciplines that concentrate on the development of one or more of these qualities. For example, Bhakti Yoga. It focuses on the development of divine love, while Raj Yoga's emphasis is on developing the divine will aspect. So, based on its learning requirements, in one or more incarnations, a soul may choose to focus on one particular aspect. Let's say the development of divine love. And to support this, it may select a specific spiritual path, mostly some form of Bhakti Yoga, that helps in the rapid development of divine love. But after a certain degree of development of divine love, the soul may decide, okay, I have enough divine love now, but what about divine intelligence and divine power? Let me work on divine will aspect this time. So it may decide to dedicate the subsequent incarnation or incarnations towards the development of the will aspect. And to fulfill that objective, it may select a different spiritual path, like the discipline of Raja Yoga, that focuses on the development of the divine will. But while concentrating solely on the development of one divine quality, there is a possibility that the other aspects may remain neglected, leading to an imbalance. However, as we had discussed in the earlier workshops also, that the true potential of a soul can only be manifested by the development of all three qualities in balance. So once the soul has developed each of the three qualities, to a certain degree by focusing on them individually, it requires a different approach. Now it requires an approach that can help it develop all three qualities simultaneously in balance. That's where the synthesis of various advanced yogic practices becomes important. So, inner alchemy yoga practices include the elements of various ancient spiritual tools and techniques that focus on a wholesome development of divine intelligence, divine love, and divine will aspect for accelerating the spiritual progress of a soul. It has the elements of Hatha Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raj Yoga, Karma Yoga, Kundalini Yoga, Dhyana Yoga, and much more, giving a safe, systematic approach for rapid and balanced evolution of the soul. That is why it is called synthesis of advanced yogic practices. Thank you for listening. Namaste until we meet again.